Hey guys, it's me, Alicia, aka Voted Best Hair. Thank you so much for joining me back on my channel if you're a returning subscriber. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. Alright guys, so I am super excited because today I will be unboxing my second to last Shea Moisture box. It's so funny how things happen in life. I was really just talking to my mom a couple weeks ago about wanting to really focus on my skincare, and Shea Moisture to the rescue. So this is the November box. It has so many great products inside, and so I'm gonna be sharing my box with you guys today. So if you're interested, please stay tuned for this video. So this is the Clarify and Hydrate Your Skin with Goodness box. It has products from the African black soap as well as the 100% virgin coconut oil lines in it. So the first product is the African black soap acne prone face and body bar. This is designed to cleanse, hydrate, and calm problem skin. And so the great thing about this is that it is for both your body and your face. Some people do get acne on their whole body, so you can use this for both. I have used this before and I really do like it. As with all the Shea Moisture products, this is cruelty free and it's all organic, so great option for acne prone skin.
Up next is the Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. This gently exfoliates and cleanses while helping to control breakouts.
So this is one of my favorites, and I use this usually in the evenings, and then I use another cleanser in the mornings. But I really do love this. It definitely exfoliates your skin and makes my skin feel nice and clean.
So up next is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Foaming Facial Wash. This deeply cleanses and detoxifies skin of dirt, impurities, and makeup.
So this I also really love. I have used this before, and if you guys watched my my stories, I talked about it a little bit where I did use this before, but it's a foaming wash, so it doesn't get really sudsy. But now that I'm seeing all the products together, I can see how they all do something different. So I will try this again to see how it works out for me.
So up next is the Daily Hydration Face Lotion. This is a blend of 100% virgin coconut oil and coconut milk, meant to hydrate and nourish your skin.
So this I have never actually tried before, so I'm really excited to try this out. I love that it comes in this little pump right here. Pump it right out onto your fingers and then use on your face. So I'm really excited to try this out.
Up next is the Daily Hydration Overnight Face Oil. This is a part of the 100% virgin coconut oil line, and this is an overnight treatment that deeply restores your skin.
So like I said in my stories, this is like my holy grail. I love this. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like my face feels so nice and hydrated when I use this. It's not too greasy, but it definitely feels nice and moisturized, so I really like this. What I love about this is it comes in the little, what do you call this, like a little syringe or something. I really like this. Yeah, so just like everything else, no parabens, no mineral oil, and no sulfates, and no animal testing on this product, so yay.
So last but not least is the Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer meant to deliver an instant glow with lightweight hydration as it prepares skin for smooth makeup application.
So this I have never used before either, and I'm really excited to use this because I love the fact that it's a primer and a moisturizer in one. So you can see that's kind of like the consistency of it. So yeah, I'm super excited to try out the products in this box. I mean, I've tried out a lot of them, but I'm excited to try out the ones that I haven't tried and just really focus on my skincare regimen. You know, they say black don't crack, but you know, we still have to take care of our skin, make sure that we're moisturizing our skin and just taking care of ourselves in general. So this is just another part of self-care, and I am really excited to try these out. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I do lots of hair and beauty videos, some lifestyle, yeah. Until next time guys, seize your destiny and have fun doing it. Bye.